Here's a fun question that came up the other day. In the old Outlook, the classic version, we used to be able to share an ICS file for a meeting appointment with other people by going to the meeting and making a save as an ICS file, right? Well, in the new version of Outlook or the online version, that's not possible. So there's a workaround. Here it is. So what you can do is in your calendar, create a meeting. So I'm going to create an all day meeting, right? And it's in here now. Now, what I can do is I can click on that and I will be able to, let's right click on it, right? And I want to forward that meeting. So I'm going to forward it to myself and send it. Now, when I send that meeting to myself, right, it's going to show up in my email. And in there, there's an attachment. Now, that attachment is the ICS file. So, what we can do is we can download that. And now we have the ability to attach that to an email to other people. So, we can send that as an email attachment or link it inside of the email. And when the person can subscribe to it, it adds it to their calendar. So that's kind of the workaround since there isn't the save as or export to an ICS file anymore, or at least not yet. But that is the workaround. All right. Hopefully that helped.